Simple present tense. When to use. Active voice. 1 second timer. Passive voice. LO, see a clear understand, and LSRW. KNR. Active voice and passive voice examples. General statement. She plays basketball. Basketball is played by her. Facts. The sun gives us heat and light. We are given heat and light by the sun. Habitual actions. They drink coffee every morning. Coffee is drunk by them every morning. Permanent truths. Water occupies 71% of the Earth's surface. 71% of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. Scientific laws. Gravity pulls objects towards the Earth. Objects are pulled towards the Earth by gravity. Daily routines. He reads the newspaper after breakfast. The newspaper is read by him after breakfast. Personal preferences. She likes chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream is liked by her. Opinions. People believe in honesty. Honesty is believed by people. Customary actions. We clean the house every Saturday. Every Saturday, the house is cleaned. Instructions. You mix flour and water to make dough. Flour and water is mixed to make dough. Public notices. The library closes at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m., the library is closed. Historical facts. Columbus discovers America in 1492. America is discovered by Columbus in 1492. Universal truths. The sun rays make the moon shine. The moon is made to shine with the sun rays. Sports commentary. Ronaldo scores a goal. A goal is scored by Ronaldo. Business statements. They ship products worldwide. Products are shipped worldwide by them. Technological facts. Computers process data quickly. Quickly, data is processed by computers. Environmental statements. Trees provide oxygen. Oxygen is provided by trees. Medical advice. Doctors prescribe medicine. Medicine is prescribed by doctors. Educational statements. Teachers teach students in classrooms. In classrooms, students are taught by teachers. Legal statements. The judge sentences the criminal. The criminal is sentenced by the judge. Social statements. People celebrate festivals. Festivals are celebrated by people. Thank you so much. God bless you. KNR.